Good day everyone, I am Vanessa Alindayu and today I am assigned to report Chapter 4, Programs and Apps. So let's start. Objectives Overview. Identify the general categories of programs and apps. Describe how an operating system interacts with applications and hardware. Differentiate among the ways you can acquire programs and apps. Identify key features of productivity applications. Identify the key features of graphic and multimedia applications. Objectives overviews. Identify the use of personal interest application. Identify the purpose of software used in communication. Identify the key features of security tools. Identify the key features of file, disk, and system management. Programs, programs and apps. A program of software consists of a series of related instructions organized for a common purpose that tells the computer what tasks to operating and how to perform them. Example of application software. The most common application software programs are used by millions every day and include Microsoft suite of products, Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, etc. Internet browser like Firefox, Safari, and Chrome. An application or app, sometimes called application software, consists of programs designed to make user more productive and or assist them the personal tasks. An operating system is a set of programs to coordinate all the activities among the computer or mobile device. Hardware, tools and activity system software. Example, application in the case refers to software. In, in other words, an app is a software program. An app typically refers to software used on a smartphone or mobile device such as the Android, iPhone, BlackBerry, or iPad, as in the mobile apps or phone apps. Programs and apps. An example of how an operating system interacts with a user's an application and hardware. Step 1. An operating system user interface is displayed on the screen when a user turns off the computer. Step 2. The user interacts the operating system to run an application such as a word processing application which appear on the user screen. The user then instructs the application to the document. Step 4. The operating system sends the point interaction to the printed hardware, which print the document. Step 3. The application sends the print instruction to the computer's operating system software which is running or the computer. Programs and apps. Software is available in variety of forms: retail, custom, web app, mobile web app, software, freeware, open source, public domain. Productivity applications. Productivity applications can assist you in becoming more effectively and efficiently while performing daily activities of work, school, and home, like word processing, presentation, spreadsheets, database, note-taking, calendar and contact management, project management, accounting, personal finance, legal, task preparation, documents management, enterprise computing. Productivity application. With productivity application, users often create a product, edit a project, format a project, save a project, describe a project. Thank you for listening, and the next report will be Jennifer.